All right, just filled up with some gas here. It's a little bit more expensive here, but he's a good friend of mine. I go all over, I mean, pretty much half of the state for him, doing all of their stores and safes, you know, stuff, box safes, stuff like that. I mean, everywhere for them. Whatever they need, I do. So anyway, just filled up with some gas, and we are headed to a friend of mine. A friend of mine's got a doctor's office here in Liberty. I just got to stop by, cut him a couple of keys. Got to run to a county building, a couple extra keys on a Ford pickup truck, and then we got to install some KABA Simplex, the 1000s. I think it's like 4 or 5. I'm going to get an exact number from them once I get there. And he's going, you know, they're deciding right now if they want to do the 5th door or not. But we're going to play it by ear from there. All right, I'm just pulling into a good friend of mine's doctor's office here in Liberty. I'm going to cut him a couple of keys. That's going to be a freebie, of course. And then we'll get rolling to the county so I can get that going. Okay, just leaving my buddy's doctor's office here, and we are headed to the county building to make some extra keys for a Ford, and then we're going to head to the fire department. All right, 2011 Ford F-250. Be back in 10 minutes. All right, so 8 minutes in, it ended early. So this key is programmed. So now we have to do the 3rd. So this is the extra we have to program. First key in, off. Second key in, on, off, and now the 3rd key, and off, and now they should all be in there. Just double checking real quick. Alright, that's 1, original. 2 and 3. All right, this truck is done and we're on our way to the fire department. Okay, that Ford is finished. We are headed out of here and we are going to a fire department. I'm not going to tell you which town. But anyway, we're going to go put some combination locks in, 4 or 5 of them. They haven't really decided on an exact number. And I'll be back with you when we pull into town. All right, we're just a couple of miles out from this fire department that I have to do. There's a fire department pretty much in every single town. But I don't really want to disclose which fire department's getting the locks on it. There's a fire department right there on the right. It's there and I'll try to do a video for you guys. Alright, here's a before on this door. It's got old junk on there. And we're going to change this out and throw the combo on it. Alright, the outside is prepped and the latch is in there. This plate I changed out. I didn't use the Simplex plate because the hole was too big, and they have this weather stripping that was put on after. I am going to change these door bumpers out. They're garbage. That one's missing and that one's missing. These are the new rubber bumpers going in, so when this door is closed, it's got a little slop in it, and these should take care of most of it. Okay, this changes the door silencers out in the door, all three of them. And now the door, when this closes, perfectly solid, no more slop. That's nice. Okay, this prep is done. This is definitely going to need door silencers. These things are just garbage. One there and one on the bar. I'm going to change all of them out. All right, if you notice, this door won't latch unless it slams real hard, and then you got to push in on it to open it. This is going to get the Simplex plate. Right, even with that Simplex plate on it, it's not latching in the way it should, so I'm gonna pop those old hard rubber bumpers off. This is our issue with this door. This door, from them spreading so much salt outside, this thing is all rotted out and blown out. So if I tap this in, because if you notice, that's where it's hitting first. It hits there in the rust, and the rest of the door is kind of bowed out everywhere else. So I'm going to knock that in a little bit with a hammer. It's better than them changing the door. Okay, this door is done. The rubber bumpers are in there. There's not one on the bottom. I cleaned all of this rot up, and also the other side's really bad. It's just about time for a door. And I did have to cut this plate out to make this function so it locks nice and smooth. That's a nice tight door now. Alright, I'm going to show you the basic of the basic. Mortise cylinders. This is getting changed out. New mortise cylinder on the outside and a thumb turn on the inside. Keys. Whenever I put these in, I always rock the cylinder a little bit just to make sure it seats properly. Short screw always goes in the middle so it doesn't jam anything up. Thumb turn from the inside, and everything's working perfect. That's that door, and this door, and we still have a bunch down below there. All right, this door is prepped and ready. The latch is in it, and I just wanted to show you this other door, why this needs to be changed. This door is literally wrapped along the bottom and just completely rotted out. I mean, there's literally holes rotted through the steel door. The jamb and the jamb on the other side. You can see where everything's rubbing along the bottom here. It just doesn't pay to put a lock in this right now. Right, so when you put this passage mode in, these come with a big long tail piece off the back. The passage mode is in the center. I leave one, I call it a nurple, on the passage function on this. Okay, this door is finished. This wasn't really hinge binding, but this was starting to swell from the rot. You know, it starts to delaminate the steel, and it starts to pop. All this starts to bevel out. So I beat that back, and another door. Perfect. Right, this door is upstairs from where we just were, and it literally has a quick-set passage knob on it. And this goes into their bar here at the fire department. But door actually closes pretty good. It does have a hinge that was been changed out. This door is all prepped, and the latch is in this. Okay, this Simplex is all finished. Everything is on. It's in passage mode right now. Now when this door closes, absolutely perfect. This does have a continuous hinge on it, and yeah, everything is set. I slowed the closer way down. It was like a guillotine before. Okay, so the door upstairs into the bar, combo lock. This door, combo lock. This door is getting one as soon as they change this out, but this thing is just ghetto-fied. And we have the glass doors here on the front. Look at that nice sticker. Woo! That door and that door, they all are finished until they put the other door in. Then we can come back and we'll see about some pry plates. I'm going to talk to them now. All right, we just finished with the fire department. We got those 4 combinations on there. We'll wait till they finish the final door there, get that installed, and we'll stick another one on there. Anyway, it's 10 after 5. I am done for the day. I'm sure I'll be back out again tonight, but we're gonna have a super busy day tomorrow, and we got a 50 or 60 lock install tomorrow night, which I'll shoot a video of. That's basement that's finished that I've been trying to get to. All right, if you guys like this, leave a thumbs up, and I appreciate you guys watching.